All right, quick follow-up. Here's why I pull instead of push when I wire feed a corner-to-corner joint. So when I pull, I can see the arc better, and I have more control over how the weld is formed. When I'm pulling, I'm not pushing the metal in front of the arc. I'm letting the arc lead, and then the puddle will follow afterwards. So wherever I'm putting my arc, that's where the metal's gonna follow. So when you push, I think of it like a snowplow, if that makes sense. When you're pushing, the arc's still digging in, but there's always that little puddle in front of it. So think of it like this. Here's your snowplow. Your snowplow's the arc. There's always a puddle right in front of your arc. And when you're pushing forward, the sides are collapsing in as you move forward. It just seems like it's a little harder to control, if you know what I mean. So when I'm pulling, I try to keep my wire at about 3/8 of an inch. 45 degrees to the joint, about a 15-degree pull. Start in the crotch, hold it there for a second. Go up, around, and down. Back to the crotch, up, around, down. Back into the crotch, up, around, down. And then back into the crotch, and all the way through. That's it for this one. We'll see you on the next.